When you respect and nurture the soil you plant in, it creates an environment where roots can grow to support a strong and healthy plant. The same goes for the soil in which Biggi is planted. In the heart of colourful and sunny South Africa lies Hopetown, a small town in the Northern Cape on the banks of South Africa's largest river and home to Biggi. Rich in history and culture, this land has given us the opportunity to grow into a globally recognized company, which is why we pledge to keep caring for the soil we're rooted in. We stand for integrity, accountability, diversity, and teamwork. Using these values, we build our community by creating jobs and giving support where it's needed most. This is where Biggi was born and where we grew into what we are today. This is where we'll continue to cultivate products that make people happy. This is the soil we owe our existence to. The soil, the climate, and abundant access to clean water make for the ideal environment to grow popcorn. And we use that to our advantage. Warm summers and cold winters let our plants flourish in weather that keeps them healthy. The seed our farmers plant is sourced from the USA, tried and tested to do well in our area. Biggi collaborates with our seed suppliers and farmers to import and allocate the seed to the farms where our popcorn will be grown. The selection of cultivars is done to ensure optimal yields that will provide the best popcorn and spread more happiness. Typically, the planting process starts around the beginning of December after winter grains have been harvested. This highly technical process ensures that seeds are planted with care and precision. With the right water, fertilizer, and supervision, Biggi popcorn grows into fertile plants during the course of the sunny Northern Cape summer until it is ready for the next step on the way to becoming the product we're known for. Late autumn means harvest time in Biggi country. One of the most important and exciting periods on our business calendar. It is the culmination of 9 months of planning and hard work, the result of a valuable collaboration between Biggi's management and technical team and our farmers. The quality of our crop determines the success of our business for the year to follow. To ensure premium quality popcorn, Biggi proactively participates in the production process. We do this by performing inspections on the field and retrieving samples prior to harvesting. This is also done to ensure that the crop is GMO-free. When the popcorn has dried off sufficiently to reach moisture levels of around 15%, it is ready to be harvested. The harvested popcorn is transported under strict requirements to our storage facilities in Hopetown. Each consignment from the farm is inspected and graded upon delivery to our facilities to ensure it meets Biggi's stringent quality specifications. Receiving product from the farm is another link in the chain of the relationships we have with our farmers. We trust the quality of their product. They trust that we'll process and sell it efficiently. After unloading, the product is transferred to our silos, where it's kept until processing begins. All our facilities, our silos, processing plant, and packaging warehouse are fully HACCP compliant. Sizing and cleaning are meticulously done to ensure we eliminate any defective product to honor our pledge of delivering only top-quality popcorn to our customers. Biggi's packaging tells the story of who we are, both in its design and durability. This helps to ensure that our customers receive our products as cleanly and safely as possible, reflecting the standards we hold ourselves to. Our products range from bulk butterfly and mushroom kernels to microwave popcorn and snacks. And in the end, we only want one thing for these products: to share our family values, our happiness with you. Biggi, worldwide premium popcorn.